Hey everybody, how you doing? You got Scotty, Mr. Knuckles Sheldon back again. I got another video for you guys that I saw on TikTok, and I said this is a perfect opportunity for me because I'm in the same situation. Thanks for visiting my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that bell. Make sure you comment too. Basically what we're doing here is we got one brand new headlight that we got about a year ago, but we only put one on there. And so on my wife's car, I'm going to go ahead and try and clean this one up. And according to what I saw, all you need is a little baking soda and some lemon. So we're going to go ahead and try this out and see what happens and check out the effect. So I got some lemon. I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda on there. Just put it right on top of the lemon. And from what I saw, all you have to do is work the baking soda and the lemon into the plastic, just like that. Get a good amount on there. I'm just going to work it through. Like I said, according to what I saw, the lens came out perfectly clear as opposed to looking all smoky. It does kind of look real bad when you've got a car that you've had for over 10 years. They have a tendency to fog up, especially in the Midwest. So here we go. And the effect is looking it's looking damn good from what I'm seeing already. This is amazing. I just always like to see some folks trying new ideas. And this is obviously working really good. I am really impressed. I'm gonna get it real good, get a nice coating on there. Maybe I'll hit it one more time with a little more baking soda. Like that. Squeeze it on there. All the way across. Like I said, you can see for yourself that the product are actually working, and you're saving yourself maybe $100 or $200, because they charged my wife about $180 just to replace that one headlight, because it's the whole casing. So here we go. So we go ahead and hit it with the rag real quick. Get this off the body right there. Look at that, folks. As you can see from what you saw when it was first done, it actually works. I probably just saved you all good $100, $200. And look at that. Compare this one to the one we just bought about a year ago. Come around here, and you can see the difference. Night and day. Look at that. Amazing. I am really shocked. Just home products did such a phenomenal job. How about that? Well, there you have it, folks. You can try it for yourself. There was no gimmicks or anything like that. I didn't put anything extra on the lemon or in the baking soda. And there you have it, folks. Brand new lens. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit that bell. Make sure you comment. Once again, this is the Honey Done List. And honey, I'm done.
Thanks, babe.